Hi friends, thanks for joining me on this outside project. Now that my husband has built new steps for our back entrance, it's time to clean up the area around the back steps and make this entrance a little more inviting. So the key areas that we'll address with this outdoor project are this odd patch of dirt next to our back door that doesn't seem able to grow anything except crabgrass and weeds. Seating. It's nice to have a little bit of seating near an entrance and lighting. Struggled with lighting as we don't have an official light near our back entrance. And then lastly, making it look a little bit better, giving it a little bit of beauty. So come along as we tackle this outdoor project. Tackling the idea of seating first, I decided to pull these old IKEA chairs out of a closet. These chairs are perfect for their space as they are small, sturdy, and have withstood the test of time for sure. I started by painting them a bright red and then putting a coat of polyurethane on them. Some nice pillow covers will finish them off well. Next up, I tackled trying to salvage these solar powered lights. I used a little bit of E6000 to reattach the stake portion to the light fixture and plan to put these in some planter boxes at the base of the stairs to provide some ground level lighting. Next, I addressed that impossible patch of dirt. I put a basic layer of ground fabric on the dirt and then gathered some pavers that I already had near my fire pit. The pavers fit nicely in this space. They are 12 by 12 pavers, and I did go too deep with them. There was just a little bit of extra space, and with that I just dug out some of my pea gravel that was under the steps to fill in that extra space. These pavers are going to make a great spot for those red chairs. Now, one of the problems with having that dirt next to the stairs is that every time it rained, that dirt would splash up onto the basement windows. And so, just a basic cleaning of those basement windows really freshened up this space. And I feel like this will be less of a problem with the pavers there instead of the dirt. With all that change to the right of the stairs, I could not neglect the left side of the stairs. This is where I had tried many times with Dollar Tree basic solar lights, a lantern hung on a shepherd's hook, and just impossible foliage that didn't look pretty. So I started by clearing this space entirely, and I think it's going to look so much better when I get my daisies planted here. The sunlight is perfect for the daisies. To address the lighting situation, I enlisted the help of my husband, getting him up on a ladder to hang a plant hook that I had left over from a different project. He used that plant hook and then used zip ties to attach a solar powered lantern to that hook. It turned out really nicely. With the lighting in place, it was time to place those red chairs and see how this is coming together. So placing those red chairs over the pavers, they look great. A couple more things I'll do as spring progresses is I've got my planters here that I'll put some lemon balm plants in. Again, planting those daisies to the left of the stairs and then adding some decorative pillows on top of those red chairs. It's coming together so nicely. Thanks for coming along on this outdoor project. Be sure to check out part 2 when we add those flowers and those pillows.